Hey there, welcome to Nitte Institute of Communication, or as we like to call it, NICO. I'm Brian, and today I'm giving you a quick walk around of my campus, my second home. NICO is where creativity meets confidence. From day one, you're not just learning theory, you're doing. From film shoots to media production, from journalism to digital content, it's all hands-on. We've got fully equipped studios, edit bays, and even our own newsletter, Fourth Estate. The facilities here really push you to experiment, collaborate, and create something amazing every day. But college isn't just about classrooms. We organize the city's biggest and only chocolate festival, NICO's Chocolate Street. In addition to it, you'll find clubs, events, festivals, and friends who feel like family. If you're someone who dreams of telling stories, working in media, advertising, or filmmaking, this is the place to start. Because here, your ideas matter. So, ready to begin your story? Come be a part of Nitte Institute of Communication, Nitte University.